What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Pours Unboxings, as you know. And I'm going to be doing my Q&A today, as always. This is filmed on a Saturday because I didn't think of it on Friday as I usually do because of, Christmas. And I did not watch SmackDown. But then I went on YouTube and I watched the two matches that we all cared about. The Big E versus Sami Zayn and Roman Reigns versus Kevin Owens in a steel cage match. I really liked the Big E match. Big E is finally a two-time Intercontinental Champion. Yeah, and we all knew Roman Reigns was going to win because why change a championship going into the Royal Rumble? Now, I don't know. I believe Kevin Owens will continue his path for the Universal Championship going into the Rumble and at the Rumble. So that's my stick on that. In my new book that I got from my mom, it's a notebook and I just started using it. So I have two questions from Wrestling Duty Central. No, yeah, I have two. Will The Miz win the WWE Championship in 2021? Now, the WWE Championship is getting held by Drew McIntyre. I believe he will win back his Money in the Bank contract. Just like you said in the Hell in the Cell review you did. Because that was very stupid. Why cash in, well, like Seth Rollins, but not at Money in the Bank? Well, not at WrestleMania. Yes, but I do think he will become WWE Champion by WrestleMania. He will be not walking in as champion, but he will be walking out as WWE Champion. Now he's not going to win the Rumble. The Rock will win the Rumble, going on to face his cousin. But he's going to swarm into the WWE title picture soon enough. I think it's going to be a triple threat match at Mania. It's going to be Drew McIntyre, Sheamus, and The Miz. He says he asked me, who do you think is gonna win the Women's Rumble? Well, Becky Lynch just had her baby, so I think she's out still. Charlotte Flair and Asuka is tag team champions. I don't know, man. If I had to guess, she's not doing so hot. But what if Shayna Baszler wins the Rumble and finally gets the Raw Women's Championship like she was supposed to get last year? Or, well, not last year. I mean, at WrestleMania, this year, at WrestleMania 36. Yeah, but that was pretty stupid that Becky Lynch retained it at 36. Dude, I think this will be a second. Guys, put it down in the comments. Do you think this will be the second WrestleMania without fans? I don't know. So put it down in the comments if you think that. My next question is from Gregory Kramer. Who is your favorite WWE wrestler? Well, Greg, I'll give a little hint. The Undertaker. All-time favorite. And then it goes, Chris Benoit, Eddie Guerrero. Oh. If you guys didn't see my Christmas haul, I got this book right here. Mayor Kane. I cannot wait to read that. Chris Benoit. No, it goes Undertaker, Chris Benoit, Eddie Guerrero, and a bunch of others. But, and then I got my friend Michael asking me a question. What were your recent pickups for DVDs? I have two things coming on Wednesday. On Monday or Wednesday. Wait a minute. Let's see. Come on. Well, I think I have 4 things coming. Two of them will be here Wednesday. Okay. Monday or Wednesday. And then the other 2 are coming in January. I think January 4th or the 6th. I'm getting 2 DVDs and 2 Blu-rays for a heck of a price. I got the Blu-ray for one Blu-ray for $10. And the other Blu-ray for $15. One's brand new and one is used. But nobody knows what it is yet because I haven't told anybody. But for Michael's question for DVD pickups that I got for Christmas, if you guys didn't see my Christmas video, we got AJ Styles, the collection for TNA. I am on disc 2, so a review of I might actually just do a collection review of the AJ Styles DVDs with the rest of my TNA collection with for AJ Styles. I got AJ Styles' most phenomenal matches with the insert and the stacked discs, guys. So can you put down in the comments what do you think of these stacked discs? Wow, I can't believe it. Wow, that's weird. His Fastlane match isn't on here. But the main reason why I got this one was for the Backlash Dean Ambrose versus AJ Styles match. What does this go up to? July. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's good. So after I watch this and this, I will have the TNA collection and WWE collection together. But separate reviews for both of these. So the book I got was Mayor Kane with Glenn Jacobs, and my brother, if you guys don't know what Cameo is, it's you take a personalized message and send it to a celebrity and then send it to somebody else, and the celebrity reads it to the other person. So scratch all that aside. My brother got Hornswoggle to say a little message to me saying he misses me and all that. So, Tim, if you're watching, that was the best gift anyone has gotten me. You got a WWE superstar to say my name and your message, so thank you. The other pickups I got were Rey Mysterio, Undeniable. Got IWA, Rey Mysterio versus Eddie Guerrero versus CM Punk. The Rey Mysterio versus Caleb Collin something. I got TLC 2018 with a kind of a normal old Seth Rollins card. And a review of this will be coming soon. And then I got Supernatural season 14, guys. The reason why I got this one was for the special features. Supernatural Homecoming exploring the 300th episode, which is a little clip right there. And it comes with the insert of every oh god, what the hell, episode, a 5-disc set. So yeah. But yeah, those are all my DVD pickups for Christmas. So if you guys have any more questions, just shoot me a message on Facebook at Patrick Porter. You could find me on Instagram, Patrick Porter 204, I think. I'm not sure what my Instagram is anymore. Yeah, but or you could just, I'm coming, or just leave it down in the comments below. I don't know. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.